katulad ng yung Diyosa nga. And 21 years ng Kampanerang Cuba. Yes, di ba? So, looking back, ano yung parang project na sa tingin mo nag-determine or tumulong sa talaga kung nasaan ka ngayon?
Lahat. Lahat talaga. Whether it's Magic Kingdom, whether it's TGIS, or ano pa ba? Siyempre, Kampanerang Cuba was my first title role. And then after that, Diyosa. And then, maging sino ka man pa ako, tapos No Other Woman. So talagang lahat, everything played a role. And I feel na even yung timing ng bawat isa happened at the right time. Hindi siya sunod-sunod. Parang everything was a slow climb. But I feel that's why I also super appreciate kung nasaan ako. Kasi pinaghirapan talaga sa 29 years.
Yes, and sa 29 years, meron ka pang mga hindi nakakatrabaho. So, sino pa yung mga hindi mo pa nakakatrabaho na gusto mo makatrabaho?
Sino ba hindi ko na? Si Papa P, hindi ko pa nakakatrabaho. Sino pa ba hindi ko pa nakakatrabaho? Sa mga actresses naman, parang lahat naka-work ko na. Si Angel, si Angelica, si Bea. Sino pa ba mga actresses? Maybe si Marian. Kasi naka-work ko na si Dawn. Baka si Marian, hindi ko pa naka-work.
Thank you.
Thank you!
Okay, ngayon naman from Pika Pika, we have Adam Lorena.
Hi po, Miss Anne. Congratulations po sa lahat po ng na-achieve mo this year. And
Thank you.
ang tanong ko lang po with these achievements, how do you usually celebrate big wins? Like, work ko ba agad or do you like relax agad?
Parang, alam mo, nagsha-shopping. Siguro ngayon, like, I plan to have a big party pag natapos yung Baybas. Party talaga. Kasi pinaghirapan talaga namin lahat yun. We all deserve to celebrate. Yeah. And I think it's so important also that you celebrate those wins, big or small, because it's an achievement. Pinaghirapan mo yan, celebrate.
Last question po, do you have any advice for aspiring actors na gusto ng magkaroon ng long-lasting career like yours?
Huwag magmadali. I know it's hard because syempre with social media, it's so easy to gain fame, right? Siguro, huwag kayo magmadali. Take the time to appreciate it because if there's anything that I've learned in this industry, as fast as you get up there, it's so easy to fall just as fast. So, take your time, take it all in, and be patient. Yeah.
Thank you po. Thank you.
Great advice. Maraming salamat po. Ngayon naman,